All right, guys, welcome back to our channel today. Today, we're going to show you how an amazing bootcamp called InTech Institute achieved 40% job placement rates increasing by using Nexa and the cutting edge platform integrated into their career services framework. Guys, if you're interested in tech education and this kind of stuff, guys, stay tuned. We got so much cool information for you in this video. InTech Bootcamp, so InTech Institute, they're known for cybersecurity and cloud computing. So, hey, if you're actually looking for working on those fields, they pay six figures and these guys teach it. So, essentially, the biggest challenge was students were having a great time learning information, just like how you do in college, just like how you do in university, just like how you do in other career vocational programs. But like many boot camps, colleges, and university, there was challenges in maximizing job placement, career readiness, career engagement, and just overall well-being of the learners post-studying. And that's literally where Nexa comes in, right? We have a solution for that, an all-in-one platform that delivers all career services that you need in one place. And that's kind of what we did. So job placements is one of the metrics. Career readiness, cost, operations, efficiency, these are a few other ones that also affect an education type of business. Let's start at job placement. So as you know, job placement, very critical metric for coding bootcamps, specifically cybersecurity, cloud computing, and data analytics. According to recent data, the average placement rate for bootcamp graduates is well under 20% within 6 months of graduation. Top bootcamps may even get really higher rates and more than that, which is, hats off to them, and we're gonna basically help all of them. And the best part is achieving these numbers requires perfect or well-defined or well-created strategies and tools. And right now on the next clip, we're going to dive into how InTech and what they used and what framework and systems they used in Nexa that got them these amazing numbers. It saved them almost $150,000 per year and about 400 plus admin hours a month, thanks to having Nexa integrated into their career delivery services. Hey everyone, so as we're diving into this case study and you guys now have a great taste of how we helped in tech, this is a full-time overview of how we actually made that a reality, right? From them being able to have a dashboard where they can at high glance view be able to see who's building resumes on the platform, who's doing interview simulations, what kind of job search is being done, who are the active users, who are the poorest performing users, aka learners, job seekers, students, graduates, whatever you want to call them. Nexa makes it easy with this dashboard. Having it done easier, InTech was easily able to go to reporting and analytics, and they can literally check by reports, see who is a good learner, who's not. I want to generate a custom report, right? Different types of reports are able to be generated. And I think my favorite part is you want to see how somebody's doing, then you can, get down to the nitty gritty of just selecting a user and being able to get detailed information about what are they up to, right? All these different widgets. And it doesn't stop there, right? I can easily come over to my user category here. And if I want, I can select a user that I want to target and have full overview into it. And that was one of the things that InTech used. So understanding their name, where they are, their LinkedIn, what are their onboarding information in terms of their skills gap analysis, right? Everything we can see right here. I want to get their stats on them in more detail. That's all here, right? Maybe you get a monthly graph on them. What kind of practice rounds are they doing? What kind of interview simulations have they done? And most importantly, all the different resumes they have on file and different feedback scores on that makes it so easy. So this is the things that InTech use to get really good insight. And other things I can add is things like assigning tasks to individuals. That so many people use outdated ticketing systems. We have our own ticketing system, or we have the own system that they can also integrate with existing tools like HubSpot, Salesforce, and ServiceNow. As you guys all know, one of my favorite things to do is allow people to create their own questions, their own simulations. And at Nexa, you're able to do that. And that really helped in tech as they taught cybersecurity, is to really create custom cybersecurity types of, interview scenarios or just skill test scenarios for them. Aside from that, obviously, the platform as a whole has helped them benefit by providing 500 plus hours saved. Almost $150,000 have been reduced in having different tool sets, having constantly increasing staff every time you have to, I guess, increase your user or learner account or your growing programs. It's very challenging to give everybody the amazing career services they require, but still keep the lights on, still keep the bills running, and stay profitable and thrive and grow. And thanks to that, InTech, or thanks to Nexa, InTech has been able to do that. This was just a quick snippet we wanted to show you. And if this is something helpful for you guys, like I said, we're always happy to help, and anybody's happy to reach out. But today was more so we wanted to show you a quick case study on when you have problems like user output is growing, but you're trying to match your career services, when you have cost issues, when you have time issues, when you have issues like where job placement is not increasing, where career readiness is not increasing, where resumes are not being built as effectively, and you cannot gauge exactly where your graduates stand and who's top, who's not. Nexa will make that very, very, very easily understandable, digestible, and then you can use the insights to take action. Once again, this is the org dashboard, and thank you to InTech for being able to share this case study with them today. I hope you guys enjoyed that quick demo and actual behind the scenes dive of how Nexa and InTech integrated with each other. But overall, you can see it enhanced career services, right? Their career coaching went up, their resume optimization got better, which led to more job placement, and using Nexa IQ and job search truly helped them expand that. Curriculum alignment as well, right? They were able to add specific stops in their curriculum on testing and basically confirming that their learners were essentially learning these topics that are being taught, as well as they're able to adapt their curriculum to then test based on job readiness, right? And lastly, student engagement, right? When you have someone who knows that they're getting amazing career services, it's 100% more helpful. It's more encouraging to take the training because once the training is done, you know how to get yourself career ready, right? With interview preparation, job matching, and all kind of the other fun stuff that you guys saw. Obviously, like as you guys can see, results were impressive, and within a year of implementing these tools, as we mentioned, 40% in job placement rates, right? That's awesome, guys. Reduced time to employment, big deal, and of course, enhanced employer satisfaction. Employers voted that whoever was more job ready was better long form type of candidate. To finalize, guys, InTech's partnership with Nexa really showcases the power of integrating advanced career services into these educational type of programs. And by focusing on personal support and aligning with market needs, significant improvements in job placements were achievable, not to mention very well cost efficiency and time efficiency, as well as revenue increased efficiency due to having better career services on deck. Thank you guys for watching. I truly hope this video was insightful. If you liked it, guys, like it, thumbs up, subscribe. We will create more content and show you behind the scenes every day what we're doing to make your career journey truly, truly achievable. Let us know in the comments on what you want to see next.